Welcome to Maker Hacks, and today we're going to cover engraving glasses. Super easy gift. Everybody loves them. Yeah. If it's your first time here, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the like button if this has been useful. Also, if you got any questions, make sure you ask them in the comments below. Okay, so keeping with the inexpensive Christmas or cheap Christmas or Grinch Christmas or Scrooge Christmas or I'm just a cheap bastard Christmas, we're gonna make some super cheap glasses. Now, this didn't turn out as good as I thought, and mainly because I need more practice. The other thing that could be done with this is instead of trying to do something with nice solid lines, do something curvy, and then there's a little bit more wiggle room with sort of artistic license. So I got the glass from, guess what? Dollar store, $1.25. The engraver I got at a local hardware store. You can get them on Amazon. They're about $25, but I use them all the time to mark my tools and, well, make stuff like this. Now, one of the first things you're going to need to do is print off your design on a decal sheet. Now, you don't have to use a decal sheet. You could probably use paper and a glue stick or even paper and spray glue, but you need some way of getting that down. Maybe if you're artistic, you can use a Sharpie and draw it down on the glass before you start doing the engraving. Trace the graphic with the rotary engraver. You're going to have to work your way through the paper to get to that. Now peel the remaining part of the decal off, give it a good wash. Now you don't just have to do glass, you can do coffee mugs, plastic cups, pretty much anything that you want. And it's pretty simple. Now this one got a little better, and that has a little bit to do with I made the print off a little larger and I took my time. So with a little bit of practice you can do some pretty good engraving. You'll see here that later on I found out that cutting away some of the paper with an X-Acto knife was a little more efficient, but it's not necessary, it just saves you a little bit of time. And there you go. Pretty simple, quick, and it is awesome as far as customized gift. Every time I've given away anything like this, people love it. Everybody loves something customized that says it's theirs. Mine! Mine, all mine! Yeah. Now, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit like, and leave any questions you might have below. Cheers!